All right, so I decided to do question 3. Reason being is because you can kind of just look at it and without having to do much math aside from mental math, you can kind of figure out what the problem, how to solve the problem. So I just took a picture of it on my phone because I really can't draw it. So um, here we have the graph. I hope that you can see it. Which my phone more this way. Sorry, like the angles are tricky on this thing. Okay, so as you can see, the amplitude starts at positive 2 and ends at -6. So what I did to get the amplitude is I took the sum of the absolute values of the graphed y points for the amplitude for both sides of the amplitude, and I divided it by 2, and by doing that, I got 4. Next, we did the period. Honestly, I just counted the distance between, you can do either the two highest points or the two lowest points, but basically where the graph will come back around to, I don't know what you'd call it, top of the curve. I don't know, for lack of a better word. Sorry, I just got off of work, so I'm a bit brain fried at the moment. And so for that, I got 5. And then for the median, midline, not median. I am so sorry. For the midline, it's something similar to the amplitude, except I'm not taking the absolute value. I'm taking the direct sum of both of those points. So I'm taking 2 plus -6. And by doing that, I got -4. And then you divide that by 2, and you get -2, which is equal to your y line. And so that's how I got that.